Everyone, this is Acterys here, Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms here at FP Automation. Welcome back to our series on construction analytics within Microsoft Fabric, powered by Acterys for planning. In this video, we will be talking all about change order analytics and how your team can spot I-status or in-progress change orders across jobs that have yet to be approved that are being worked on from a cost standpoint. Now, what I'd like to do is talk a little bit about in-progress change orders and how they differ from approved change orders. For in-progress change orders, these are essentially change orders that have been agreed for the team to be worked on, but do not have contractual approved agreements in place between the client as well as the contractor itself. And this presents a major value leakage issue for contractors because, again, at the end of the day, many contractors can negotiate all change orders that have not been approved and ensure that they collect the necessary revenue at the end of the job. But because jobs tend to be cash flow intensive, it's important that you collect as early as possible and approve change orders as early as possible in order to avoid these uncomfortable conversations and potential conversations that may lead to the client potentially arguing or claiming that they don't necessarily need to pay for these particular change orders on there. Now, the idea behind this is that these I-status change orders, the costs are baked into your actual costs. However, the billed amounts, these are not baked in because they haven't been approved yet. So you can't necessarily bill for this until it's been approved, and therefore it's not necessarily really in your numbers on the billing side. So by having visibility into this data coming from your ERP system, what we have the ability to do is we have the ability to be able to track it in here and allow your management team to make decisions around going after these particular jobs and the field team in place to go and have those conversations to get these jobs approved in order to be able to have contractual obligations from the client to pay for these particular services that are being done during the construction project. This is a huge analysis. And if your company is not tracking this information, ultimately what we're doing with companies is helping them to track it within a unified system that is molded with and combined with their ERP system, so the data is all in one place within what we call a canonical model. This is a huge difference maker because it prevents situations where you could be leaving hundreds, if not millions of dollars in change orders on the table due to them being stuck in a I status or an in-progress status. We see many construction companies face this, and now that you have the ability to be able to filter and look at different jobs and understand where they stand, your team will have the ability to action off next steps to get these change orders approved and ensure that you are billing for your services that you are committed to for the particular job that you're working with a client. So I hope you enjoyed this particular video. In our next one, we'll be talking about a PO units analysis where we're using AI to help categorize all various different values of your various different purchase orders to help you understand where you have gaps between your estimate and your actual POs. Thank you, and this is Alp signing out.